Waqt li għajnejn id-dinja sportiva bħalissa huma affokati fuq il-Brażil fejn qed issir it-tazza tal-konfederazzjonijiet, l-istess pajjiż jinsab maħkum minn protesti ma jaqtaw xejn, l-ar protesti fil-pajjiż fl-aħħar 20 sena. Protesti kontra l-infiq tal-pajjiż fuq dawn il-kompetizzjonijiet sportivi.
The World Cup is gonna add up to about $30 billion. Now tell me, in a country where illiteracy can reach 21% and averages 10%, a country that ranks 85 in the Human Development Index, a country where 13 million of people are underfed every day, and where many other people die waiting for medical treatment. Does that country need more stadiums?
Sou médica, tô revoltada! Tô sozinha nessa porcaria aqui! Não posso fazer nada pelo excesso de pacientes doentes! E a secretaria, o governador não faz nada!
There's more. A lot of people are being kicked out of their houses to give space to the Olympics and to the World Cup. Against their will. Their houses are just being marked every day and destroyed. That's how it's working. What kind of democracy is this?
Il-Brażiljani qed jitolbu li minflok flus minn fuq stadiums biex il-pajjiż jiġi jisbaħ fajn id-dinja jew mezzi ġodda ta' divertiment, il-fondi pubbliċi jintużaw għall-edukazzjoni, ikel, saħħa, postijiet tax-xogħol u mod sostenibbli ta' ħajja. Dan l-istazzjoni kkuntattja lil Gabriel Barbosa, Brażiljan ta' 26 sena minn Assis, fl-istat ta' Sao Paulo, li spjegalna għaliex hu flimkien ma' mijiet oħra qed joħorġu jipprotestaw ta' kuljum.
Protest started because there was a raising transport fees. It started with few peoples and was attacked by local police. But the protest got bigger with time and now the whole country protests for a lot of reasons.
Jispjegalna wkoll li parti kbira mill-problemi tal-pajjiż ġejja mill-korruzzjoni tal-politiċi.
I believe that the bigger reason is corruption. There are some laws in process of voting that clearly are being formulated to help corrupted politicians. The current protests don't have a defined focus because there are too many things that are wrong in Brazil. There's a long path ahead to change a lot of things that are wrong. Now the next step is against the law under voting process that make the politicians immune to outside investigation. That's our next step in a fight to change Brazil.
Sa dan it-tant fil-Belt Valletta, il-komunità Brażiljana f'Malta organizzat mixja ta' solidarjetà mad-dimostranti fil-Brażil. Lan ta' din il-mixja paċifika kien li pajjiżna wkoll li wassal messaġġ li jinsab qrib id-dimostranti li qed jitolbu d-drittijiet tagħhom fil-Brażil.
Grazzi, ħafna!
Matthew Mamo għal Net News mill-Belt Valletta.